information. Track identity of the RFID tags mounted on the rail sleepers are captured via RFID readers attached to the loco. The same is transmitted to station TCAS via radio communication from loco TCAS. The station TCAS gains information regarding the location and direction of the train entering in its jurisdiction from loco TCAS. The station TCAS unit is interfaced with the station signal interlocking system and continuously acquires the vital signal information. The station TCAS will update the loco pilot about the approaching signal ahead and permitted speeds through driver-machine interface (DMI) of loco TCAS. DMI displays target speed, movement authority, signal aspect, location of the train, and also allows the loco pilot to send SOS messages during emergencies.